Pyros. Got something cool and different for you here today. These are all ICC through early DOT firecracker inserts. You can tell they're firecracker inserts because of the short paper fuses on them. If they were, like ladyfingers, even though ladyfingers are a little bigger than these, they would have longer fuses so you can light them. Except for the one on the end, which seems to have like a longer fuse, but a very tiny little firecracker. Again, these were all from the mid-60s to the early 80s. They were taken out of mostly rockets. Anyway, thought you guys would find them cool. They are insanely small, especially the two on the end. Anyway, I'll be testing some of these soon. More to come soon. Like, comment, subscribe.